Azure portal. Well, let's see how to create the service manager using the PowerShell, Azure PowerShell. So I have created already some commandlets. It's a predefined script. So before accessing the Azure console portal, we have to log on to Azure subscription using the Connect. So this will be using all APIs to connect to the Azure portal, Azure CLI, and it will create the Azure service principal for us. So to run this PowerShell commandlets, I need to install the Azure PowerShell modules. So I have already installed it. So then only I will get these AZ commands. These are the verbs and these AZ commands. So first command is we have to connect to the Azure subscription. Let me run this one. So it will pop up the window. I'm using my same account whichever I have logged in. Now I'm able to control this complete Azure account using the PowerShell, the API calls. So these are the commandlets which I will be using. So I have given the variable name as a service principal name. So I have given the learn Azure PowerShell as my service principal name. And this is a command which the new is used for the creating always new resources or any new objects. So AZ and AZ Active Directory Service Principal. This is a commandlet which will be used to create the service principal. I'm just creating this one. I'm running this command and it will run for a while and it will provide us the service principal. Now the service principal has been created. Let me check it out, the properties of that service principal. So these are the application ID and so I will display the service principal properties. So these are the properties available there. So we have some commandlets which we need to run to get our secret. So these are commands are already available on Azure documentation. So this is my past secret which I have to save it properly. So I have saved it. So now let me get what is the role assigned to this service principal. So when I run this get AZ role assignment by using providing the service principal ID, so I will get the role definition name which is assigned to that particular service principal. So here I can see the contributor role. So I want to provide the reader role only for this particular service principal. So I can run this command to assign a new service role to service principal. So it already exists. Sorry, I have already run this one. So let me remove this. Okay, this is fine. So let me run again. I want to assign a new service principal, new role to the service principal as a reader. So this reader role has been assigned. So let me remove the contributor role. Right, it has done. Let me verify on the portal what is access we have. So I can just click on this one. So it will load. It's a contributor role. So we have to go back again. Click on access control role. Access control IAM. Search for the learn. So Azure PowerShell. So this is the service principal we have created. So we have the reader role assigned to this service principal. So let me log on to this service principal. Let me run again this command. So it's showing contributor, but we have the reader role assigned to it. So now to log on to Azure portal service subscription, we need the tenant ID and the secret application ID, secret, and tenant ID. These are the parameters we have to provide as a parameters for the connect as one Azure account. So tenant ID I'm getting using the AZ contest command, get AZ contest. So secret, so I'm just converting my plain text secret value into the secure string. I'm just creating an object for the storing this credentials, and let me connect using the connect-ac. So we are successfully able to connect using this newly created service principal. So let's go back to our slides and see tutorial. So these are the different documentations which are available to create a service principal using the PowerShell CLI. So thank you for viewing. If you like my video and if you got useful information from my video, don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So to get these videos whenever I upload these videos, if you want to be notified immediately, don't forget to click on the bell icon. So for now, thank you for viewing. We'll catch up again in next video. Thank you for viewing.